I am not shy to say karibu Madam Janet. So without wasting much time, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to...
Award bursary funds will go a long way in establishing a positive change and contribution in our communities. Nairobi Metropolitan Service, through all its function, is fully committed to the welfare of the learners.
Somebody might not understand what it means, but every passing day, and I want to confirm, and the parents are here, there are children that are home already because they are in our bursary program and we had not given them money. And I want to tell you what it means for a child to stay home for an extra day. It means that a girl can fall pregnant every extra day, every extra hour that she stays home. Her life can change completely. That is why it is an emergency that we must process this money, go to children, they get supported, and all of us can be happy.